Hey, what's going on, y'all? Happy weekend. Happy Sabbath to all those that believe. I just want to check in real quick. Let's talk real estate investing. So you all know I do have a investment property that's on for sale. We are having an open house tomorrow. It's going to be at 11357 Broad Street in Detroit from 2 to 7. Come out, check us out. Let's talk about the real estate investing piece. So a lot of people are talking about real estate investing. They want to get into it. They want to know more about it. You know, they think it's cool. They think it's sexy. They see people on Instagram and Facebook doing their thing, and they want to get a piece of it. But let's talk about buying the right deals. How do we buy right? So a lot of investors, how they look at deals, they do kind of like a soft impression when it comes down to a real estate deal, and that soft impression is called the 10% rule. So the 10% rule, meaning that you're getting a 10% return on your investment, that should make for a pretty good deal. So I give you an example. So let's say we buy an investment property for $100,000. You should be able to make $10,000 annually off that deal. And that equates to, I believe, around $833 a month. You should be able to charge that for rent. And also you want to have a little margin in there as well, because with any investment, man, you're going to have expenses. You're going to have, if you're not buying cash, you got a mortgage on it. So you want to, make sure you crunch those numbers right. But like I said, the rule of thumb when vetting a deal is the 10% rule. So the property I have for sale, what makes it a really good deal? The asking price is $120. So it's a duplex, so it's 2 units, 3 bed, 1 bath, and it also has a basement. So the market rent in the area that they're charging for is $650, but you can also push it up, I would say, a little bit closer to the $700 mark, just given the increase in cost of living. And that's another thing about real estate. It's a great hedge against inflation. So when the cost of living goes up, your rent can go up and you can charge that. So what makes it a great deal is listed for $120. The average rents in the area, $650, $700. If you do the math, man, you're looking at a rate of return closer to 12 to 14%. Again, given your expenses that you'll have, your business expenses, but you're looking at a gross return of 12 to 14%. So this makes it a great deal, man. A lot of the work's already done. It is a partial rehab. It is being sold as is, but a lot of the cosmetic work has already been completed. So like I said, this is going to be easy and breezy for those that are looking to invest. So come down tomorrow, check us out. If you're already in the investment game, check us out. If you're looking to get into the investment game, check us out. But again, y'all always focus on that 10% rule for a great buy. Peace.